Hi, I'm Jennifer from Rainbow Room Hair Salon here in Sechelt, BC, and this is our virtual unboxing of our Redken Christmas gift packs. These are amazing Christmas gifts, so for everyone that is wanting to shop local this year and support your local businesses due to COVID-19, swing on by. We have curbside pickup. We also have online sales, so shop local, so exciting. So I thought I'd just show you what's in the holiday gift pack so you can see from home. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you see this video. Then you can see more of us. So the first one I'm gonna do is the Redken All Soft Mega. So the Redken All Soft Mega is amazing. If you have coarse, thick, dry hair, it is extremely nourishing. It's super hydrating. It goes into the hair, it helps seal the cuticle, just amazing. So this gift pack, what's great about it is it comes with shampoo, conditioner, and a deep conditioning mask. And for those of you that don't know how to use a mask properly, you always want to shampoo your hair, rinse out your shampoo, then you want to use your mask. Yeah, that's right. You're not shampooing, conditioning, and then putting your mask in. You're shampooing, putting your mask in, and then you're conditioning. So, but the beauty of doing that is the moisture and all the nourishing properties of the mask will actually go into your hair. And then when you rinse that out and use your conditioner after, your conditioner is designed to close your cuticle. So it's gonna lock in the benefits of the treatment mask. So just a little tidbit for you. So Redken All Soft Mega, it's pretty new to the line and we love it. Okay. So then a classic from Redken is just the regular All Soft. Again, it's super moisturizing. It comes with a free mask, so shampoo, conditioner, and a mask. Really great deal. Great Christmas gift. It's good for all hair types. It's also super moisturizing. It has protein in it to help keep your hair super healthy. It's a little bit lighter than the All Soft Mega. So the All Soft Mega would be for someone like my hair who is really coarse and dry, frizzy, that sort of thing, if you just need some extra nourishment and hydration. So that's the All Soft. Okay, and then I think, ooh, this one is my absolute favorite. This is Redken Frizz Dismiss. So Redken Frizz Dismiss has an anti-humectant in it, so it actually goes into your hair, seals down your cuticle, and stops the humidity from creating frizz, big hair, that sort of thing. It helps maintain moisture. It's just really great. If you have coarse, frizzy, curly hair, this would be the heaviest product that Redken currently has. So it comes with shampoo, conditioner, and the Tame Frizz leave-in cream. I absolutely love this stuff. It's a heavy cream that you can put in your hair and you can use it if you're gonna blow dry or if you're gonna leave your hair curly. But what it's gonna do is it's gonna provide moisture and touchable hold, smoothness, softness, and something that doesn't grow. I don't know if you have hair like me and halfway through the day it gets bigger and bigger and bigger, especially during the winter months. This one is for all my thick girls like me, especially if your hair's bleached like mine. Okay, so this is a Redken Classic, which is the Extreme line. So the Extreme line was designed for people whose hair has been chemically damaged, so for bleaching, anything like that. Like protein is huge. So this protein shampoo and conditioner, and it comes with anti-snap. So anti-snap is a leave-in that you put on your ends. It's gonna stop your hair from breaking. It's really great if you're trying to grow out your hair, or if you're bleaching it, or if your hair's colored or anything like that. So it's really lightweight. It's not going to be heavy on the hair, so it's great if your hair's fine. It just basically goes into the hair and heals it from the inside. This stuff is literally amazing. I've seen people grow their hair out that haven't been able to grow it out ever on this stuff. We know Brittany, that's with us now, has been just obsessed with this. She's actually sold almost all of these gift packs in the last week because she loves the Extreme. Yeah, that's great. So we're gonna talk about the Redken Gradient. I don't have any gift packs left for it because we sold out because it's such a popular one. So the Redken Color Extend Gradient comes with shampoo, conditioner, and the One United. So the One United is a 25 benefit treatment leave-in spray. So it's a detangler, it helps add moisture, it seals your cuticle, speeds up drying time, it's a primer, so if you use it, it'll make your whatever product you're using go longer in your hair. It is literally amazing. Everybody should have this product at home. We just love the One United. It's one of Redken's #1 products. So there you go. I want to talk about the Gradient Shampoo and Conditioner. So Gradient Shampoo and Conditioner is designed for if your hair is gray. So it has gray tones in it, so it's going to tone out yellow if your hair is feeling brassy or if it bleaches out from the sun or anything like that. This stuff is going to help with that. And because it's specifically designed for gray hair, it helps soften the texture. So those of you who have grays know when your gray comes in, it's like this. It's the texture is not like your normal hair. It's wiry, it's coarse, it's frizzy. And it's like, what am I gonna do with this? This will actually soften the texture for you to make it easier to manage and style. So Gradient, we love Gradient. All right, so the next one from Redken is their Blonde Shampoo and Conditioner gift pack. So it comes with a shampoo, conditioner, and a leave-in debrassing mask. So the nice thing about a mask is it's gonna provide hydration, but it's also gonna tone the hair as well and give deeper penetration than just say a conditioner will, and longer lasting results. I do recommend that if you are blonde, don't just use a purple shampoo. Make sure you're using a purple conditioner as well, because when you're using a conditioner, that's what seals your cuticle. So it's gonna lock those purple pigments in and stop it from going brassy and being yellow. Purple shampoo is great, but it also opens up the cuticle and it helps remove any minerals and stuff like that. So if you're not following it with a conditioner and locking that in, you're not getting the full benefit of using a purple line. What's great about Redken's purple shampoo and conditioner, it's not drying. A lot of purple shampoos, because of the pH of them, just dry your hair out and make it feel brittle and angry. This has a hair bonder in it. So a bonder actually goes into your hair and fixes your disulfide bonds. So your disulfide bonds are little bonds that are inside it that make your hair feel smooth and healthy and provide strength. So if you're using a bonder, it's really going to help keep your hair healthy and not dry. So I'd highly recommend the Redken Blonde Shampoo. I'm so happy Redken finally came out with a purple shampoo. We have been waiting for this forever. And then let's not forget, who says blondes are the only ones having fun? This is Redken Brown Lights. So Redken Brown Lights is for people, actually even my tone. If you just have like a warmer blonde or a caramel highlight, this is actually blue. So as we know from the color wheel, if you're yellow, purple is perfect. But if you're red or orange or anything, you actually need a blue shampoo and conditioner to help you combat those brassy tones. And unfortunately, when you're in a caramel tone family, the underlying pigments is copper and orange and red. So you're just gonna always go a little bit more brassy. So you'll wanna be using this to help maintain the nice caramel tone and not the orange caramel tone. So this one comes with shampoo, conditioner, and the One United, which is the 25 effects that everybody needs. So thank you so much for watching. And again, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Shop local this Christmas and have a great day. Bye. Happy holidays.